In this episode, you will learn the first meaning of the Japanese particle も. The particle も roughly translates to also or as well in English. A. 私は猫が好きです。B. 私も猫が好きです。The first sentence says that person A likes cats. The second sentence says that person B also likes cats, as indicated by the particle も after 私。C. 私は猫が好きです。私は犬も好きです。This time, person C utters two sentences. The first sentence says that C likes cats, and the second sentence says that C likes dogs as well. So C likes cats as well as dogs. These two sentences can be combined into a single sentence using the formula X も Y も X as well as Y. C-私は猫も犬も好きです。I like cats as well as dogs. The particle も can be used in negative sentences. D. 私は犬が嫌いです。I hate dogs. E. 私も犬が嫌いです。I also hate dogs. F. 私は犬が嫌いです。私は猫も嫌いです。I hate dogs. I also hate cats. F-私は犬も猫も嫌いです。I hate dogs as well as cats. The particle も can be used more than twice in a single sentence. G. 私は猫も犬も鳥も馬も好きです。I like cats, dogs, birds, and horses. So this was the basic meaning of the particle も. In the next few episodes, you will learn other uses of the particle.